my wig! Hi, we're back again. Next challenge. Suggested by I totally forget who, and I apologize. In place of the chubby bunny, because Naruto doesn't know how to swallow, I have this! Like a challenge on catching popcorn in our mouth. We have 45 seconds to catch as many as we can. Whoever catches more wins.
I got this in the bowl.
No, I got this in the mouth. That sounds wrong. Please don't put that in.
I got this in the mouth. Ready, set, go. Oh no!
Oh fuck! Oh. Fuck.
Your language. Oh god! That was two right there. Oh, my nose.
Oh.
Oh,
Damn it.
oh, oh. Oh, so that one didn't count.
No.
It was after the buzzer. I got this in the mouth.
I will smack you. Hope to see you next time. Stay tuned. And as always, if you want more information about Saskatoon Blitz, you can check the doobly-doo below, and we will put the link in for you guys. Bye.
See ya.